ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯐꯣꯔꯝꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯦ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔꯅ SP ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯡꯄꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯗ꯭राꯏꯚꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 2:30 ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 1 ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯛ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ AS25FC038 ꯒꯥꯝꯕꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯠꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯄꯨꯟ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯃꯤडियाꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ DI ꯑꯃꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯗ꯭राꯏꯚꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ KNF ꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯏ 15 ꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯏ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ victim ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯤडिया ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣर्टरꯅ SP ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯡꯄꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ The SP of Kangpokpi did not respond to any call. I say this to bring the attention to the DG through the speaker, sir. So this must be noted, and he never picked up the phone. Sigi gari se it passed through the line after Naga Traders Union na Sigi pot se yare chatpa yani hire kanta tharak pani. Aduda sidais da to report se makhada akhoi Second World War Memorial Sekmai dagi awang lomda laibada Central Security Forces su laini security forces dan lai. My question is hojik laiba situation sida akhoi security forces se uniform gadi yam post an sele tolop sum phangbiramgani खितंग थबक तौबियु अदु रिक्वेस्ट नि एनीवे अदगी अखोई ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ने जो हाइबी है अखोई पीस टॉक एंगेज तौखरे अखोई कुकी MLAs and some CSOs in Guwahati stated by the honorable CM in the house itself other sidai sida Naga Traders Union have been engaging in keeping the national highway free of any kind of disturbances. Well, my heartfelt gratitude to the Naga Traders Union, I salute them. But unfortunately, some groups, armed or unarmed miscreants, have been trying to sabotage the peace. Sigi media the attack over say somewhere I feel that they are trying to sabotage the peace process. So it's unfortunate. Akoi reels is maina paper newspaper media house hamgi reels है मोइना लोई hijack तौरे. अदुगा truck ते याव इसे reel कुंत्रा हम दोइने. अदुदा Assam rifle ने थारक पर video अमदा आइना count तौरेबा. Not more than 13 or 14 reels were burnt. So I request those people there through the August House to return those reels which have not been burnt. As per the video, I know burnt out then lowi. Adeda see situations ida I know some tab da koi ki media houses में हमसे मोई से धरना तौनिंगबा मत तौनिंगबा यम लाइरे मोई सु anxiety लाइरे पोत से lifeline through the लाख दोइने. Anyway, koi lifeline city it's always had a very notorious history in the past. There have always been extortions every day, every single day, whether there was peace, whether there was band or no band. Aduna, the sad part is today, 21st century. I don't know how many years we've had independence. We've been a state since so many years. We have practically actually 1.5 highways. There are 2 highways. One is functional and one is not functional. So I see the akhoi burning questions there of the day. Say there is this assembly that as we proceed. I know akhoi prajasina hangning a question. I'm a $1 million question. What is the road map ahead? Praja hangning in isi se. Say there is the akhoi honorable chief minister who in parts and pieces high big peace talk tauba security whatever. So I na hijacking the on behalf of the people. Akhoi the hangi se. Questions I want the honorable chief minister to give the roadmap, policies, whatever for the days ahead and to bring peace. I request the government in the state and the center with all the authority and power in its command to act immediately. And last but not the least, and the most important, the bottom line is that Manipur's integrity is non-negotiable.